Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I decided to come jump right on here to share my warehouse embellishment box from Webster's Pages. So I know I'm in the middle of a big crafting mess, but this came and I wanted to share this with you because I know at least the paper box is still available as of the time that I'm filming this, which is Saturday, November the 17th. And the paper box is $40, which includes shipping. I did not buy that box. There's a ton of paper in that box. There's also composition books in that box as well. I opted to get the embellishment box, which is $25 and includes shipping. So it's this regional rate box box. I don't know that we can get this box. I wonder if we can order this box because it's a really nice size. It's definitely smaller than the medium size box, but bigger than the actual small box that you can get. So who knows, but I love the size. So I'm going to go right into it and share with you what came in this box. So as always, I'm always looking to make sure that the value is at least the value in here is what I would use. So let's get right to it. I've got a bunch of these cool straws. Now, I love to use these in a variety of ways, one of which is to do, pinwheels or rosettes, wands, that sort of thing. These are really happy colors. So I got those. Oh, 4 of those. I'm sorry. There's some more. So I got 4 of those. And then I got these clips. And these are called These Are the Days. They're gold, black, and white. These clips, which would be perfect for right now because these are a Christmas story. So it's trees and a red bow. Those are really cute. That'll be really good for a project I'm working on right now, actually. This is Dream in Color paper clips. You get blue, pink, and it looks like gray, and they're different shapes. Got that. I have no idea what these are, but they're super, super cute. These would be really cute as like layering on embellishments and things like that. I'm not exactly sure what they are, but they're super adorable. I don't know, very cute. I can find a way to use those. And then let's see what else is in here. Let's see, there are these, which I think would be really cute on a flower. Those. And some things fell out, I noticed, because I'm like, why do I have empty bags? But things fell out, so I'm going to have to put them in the bag. These really pretty, I don't know what they are, but they look like they'd be great for Christmas. They're berry bouquet. Christmas, I think would be really cute. Adorable. These are resin embellishments. They're not adhesive, so you'd have to use your own adhesive. Probably hot glue, I'm thinking, for these. These are really cute. I got those. And then these florets, super cute. And let's see, there are some stickers. So we got these stickers, mini messages. These ones, Christmas one, yay! Another Christmas one, yay! Some more Christmas, which is just awesome because I'm in the Christmas spirit. Enamel dots. I got these planner notebooks. They're standard traveler size, lined and blank pages. There's a black and white stripe, and then there is this green floral. And then these paper pads came. So I don't know if I can open this up. The size of this paper pad is 6x8. It includes 3x4, 2x2 cutout cards, and more. They're double-sided. Dang it, I need to find my scissors. Let's see if I can't get through this to show you guys because I want to see myself. So, swans. Double-sided, gorgeous. Some cut-aparts. Really beautiful. So that is in there. And I also got another one very similar to that. And this one's called A New Day. So got that. Then we got these chipboard buttons. I got this one, which is, I don't even know what line this one is. And it comes with twine as well, so you can string the twine in there if you wanted. And Color Trendsetter, I think that's what that one's called. And this one is Postcards from Paris. You get your twine and your buttons. And then there are some stuff that fell, so I'm going to go ahead and figure out why. Oh, there's a hole in this bag. Well, that would be a hole in this bag too. Okay, so the things that fell out are these like cameos. This one is like Christmas cameo, Always Believe, New Year, New You. So Always Believe. So these definitely have a Christmas vibe. The Joy of Love and Christmas. And Dear Santa. What the heck is this? Oh, dear. I was like, what the heck is that? Because when I saw it, I just saw legs. All right, and then it came in this box. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? And it has this hello. And I got one of their embellishment like cases. So let me open this up. The zipper isn't awesome, but here we go. So you can put all your goodies in here. Great for organizing. It's yellow. And so that is my $25, that includes shipping, embellishment box. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's a pretty good box. So let me know what you guys think. I believe the website is websterspages.com. They have 2 boxes. I don't know if the embellishment box is sold out, but I do know that the paper box is still available. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut.